Well, it seems like it rained all night. All the streets are wet. Really wet. Wonder where my crows are. Okay. I see someone back there. I don't see anyone else. Just those three. Okay, well, hope I find some more friends. There's a crow. You're not gonna stop for me? No. Dang. There's one right up there. I was hoping he was coming to me. I heard him. Dang it. Where are they at? I want to give you treats. There he goes. Pretty nice sunrise. Still haven't had any friends come to me though. Okay, I don't know if you can see. Oh, are they coming? Oh my gosh. Hey. Hi guys. I was looking in the direction where I know a lot of you hang out. You saw me. Okay, I got your treats. I hear some more over in that tree. Okay, give you a good pile right here. Okay, there you go. Woo! Yay! They're gonna get it. All right. Oh, where are you going? Hi. What's up? Oh! Yay! I see he was swallowing. Well, now you got breakfast. I'll see you later. Okay. Well, I'm gonna keep walking. You enjoy that. Came a little closer. Go get your treats. You see, they like to hang out at that tree there. It has those weird little snake pod things. They eat the seeds. Okay, there's a car coming. Look at this noisy fella. Got a lot to say. So this is what I was looking for. These things. These, I call them snake pods because when they're dry they rattle like a rattlesnake because they're full of seeds. So yeah, the crows seem to like these things. I just thought the seeds look like coffee beans. Yeah. The hills look beautiful this morning, with the sun on them and the dark clouds behind it. Looks cool. Oh, and that's where all the sunflowers were. They're all dead. But it's nice to look at. Getting my treats out because there's a little crow sitting over here eating all the acorns on the ground and stuff. Okay. Hey little guy, you want some more treats? Oh, there we go. Let's get this ready. Okay, so I'm gonna leave. Sorry, I'm still zoomed in. But there we are. All yours. He's gonna come over and check it out in a moment. Oh, we got another friend. Go get it. He's barking at me. Is that funny dog? Maybe he's barking at the other dog the people walking by ahead. Well, he'll get there eventually. What are you waiting for? You're behind the bush. Well, I know you're going to find it. Let's go see that funny doggy. What's he doing? Oh, the other one went for it. Okay. Good. I see you, doggy. What you doing? Oh, you don't really care about me. You just want to bark at the other dog. See you later. Oh, that is the neighbor's kitty. It just lifted its head. It was just a little lump. Okay, bye-bye, kitty. I'm gonna go get some lunch. So many little birds in there. I do love that bush. And just look at all these little guys. I told you it's the party bush. They're quiet, but they're there. There's a kitty. This guy has like 3 black cats. They're all very cute. They don't really socialize though. Look at all these pretty fall trees. All these wonderful leaves that get a crunching. Yeah. It's just so pretty. So colorful. Oop, there's the kitty. Hi, kitty. It's Velcro. Okay, well, I got lunch. I'm gonna go enjoy it and have my coffee. Yeah.